Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
I don't know what happened here, but this is awesome. Oh, wow. Dude, super glad you're not that guy. Oh, he's so Bro, you can't park there! Whoa, 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 whoa! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Okay, Garmin, save video.
That there are a lot of detransitioners out there. We don't have to make a detransition story out of someone who isn't, right? For all we know, Jazz is happy with her transition. Do I believe she really could have consented to that as a minor? No. Do I believe that was right? No. You're not in her heart and her mind, and writing, you know, titles like that does a disservice to a very real conversation about real detransitioners.
Let me stop you right there. Because yes, in fact, we are there yet. Boom.
Alberta's one-day getaways are closer than you think. Just outside the city limits are endless combinations of natural wonders, quirky towns, cultural encounters, and wild...
You freaking dumb! Use your eyes! The freak! Yeah. dude. Tom.
I see it. 200. They told me you forgot it. I was like, okay, come. And then I give it to you.
I didn't see it though. This is stupid.
So you hugged someone behind you.
What the heck?
Idiot.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.